like that. For example, a variable called back of integer type stores a value of 23. Now, the concept of arrays is that we can store more than one values in a single variable by making an array of that variable. For example, let me make an array and will tell you what it does. For example, here you have one variable and it can hold only one value of integer type, but here you have created an array of integer type and that can have more than one elements in it. So the simple definition is that you can store more than one elements in the same variable by making an array of that variable, right? Arrays are used everywhere. For example, if we wanted to know about the high, low, open and close value of this particular candle, we can know it by just writing open 0, and that will give us the opening price of the most recent candle, close 0, that will give us the close price of the candle, and high 0, the highest price of the candle, and the low 0, the lowest price of the candle. So this is also a type of array which are already defined in the MQL4 programming language, that you can assess any candle's open, close, high or low value by placing the number of the candle inside in these square brackets. For example, if we wanted to know the open and close price and high and low price of this candle, we will write like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll write 6 in the square brackets, and it will return us the value of that particular candle which I have just shown you. So arrays are very important, and they are very important. So let me tell you about another let me create another array of type double which will hold the real values. For example, I wanted to store the values of moving average 25. We are not actually going to extract the values of the moving average, but we are just for only demonstrating purposes, like we can also create double type arrays. So we can store values in a double type array like this, like 1.34, 1.6745 and so on, 10 values in this array like that, and don't forget to put a semicolon in the end. So now we knew that we can actually make variables which can hold more than one values. Previously we have created a simple variable and it was holding only one value, but now we can create a variable which can contain more than one values, and we can write it like that, and you can go and write 12 values inside them. And how can we access these values? If we wanted to access this value, that is 4, and let's write something different like 345, this value we wanted to access, we will write the variable name, and inside we will count 0 1 2 3, and that index of the value we'll write that here, and that's how we can access that value. So if we'll alert this this particular element, it will return us the value 345, because because this value was there at the index number 3. So 0 1 2 3, that's how we access values